Hi, I want to introduce you to VibeUp. So here's a little bit of a walkthrough of what you get. So when you load, you get the inspiring message, rise up, vibe up, tribe up. Again, loading a little bit more of the message, just to have you a little bit of a calm as you're starting to enter the app. 3, now we get a friendly login screen, which looks like most of the login screens that you have access to. Now, when you load, get a little bit of a panel for some of the options. Where are you in the day when you're logging in? Are you in your morning? Are you in your afternoon? Are you in your evening? So now, when you come in, you got a couple of different options. You can get you can look at your calendar. You can look at the people that you're connected with, messages that might have come in. Reminder that the really purpose of VibeUp is for people to be able to stay connected. You can look at trophies, things that you're starting to work with, and potentially some of the financial rewards that might be coming along with the app. So you log in, here's who you are. You can do a little bit of a checklist to see, what are the things that you want to focus on today? What are those things that will make you most empowered going through the day? As you see, as you start to select some of the options through the day, then you'll have a little bit of a panel that will come up to see where some of your options are for the day. Now, we'll go into the details of your particular activities for the day, and now you can have a checklist to see what your status is, what you've completed and what you haven't completed. So we go from a huge buffet of options down into the specifics of some of the activities you can participate in. Some of the other options, you can see what the status is, the calendar. You can also look at another day to see where you may have completed your work, where you may have not have completed your work. Here's the friends, just again, friendly faces. Again, people, this is for about building community and doing some of the work together. What just shows this next screen as it comes up here. Oh, taking a little bit of time to come up. There we go. This is the option start, where you can see on your memo to get to your friends. Just again, as a reminder that we're in this together. Private chat, messages, being able to connect with your friends. This is a way to create some accountability and also a little bit of check-in to see who's doing what. More on the messages, pretty clear. Looks like a regular messaging app. How you get to your messages. Here's the menu. Now some notifications. So here's your trophies and notifications. Trophies are an indication of the work that you've actually been doing and a sign of what's actually been completed. Again, here's the menu. How do you get to your trophies? Now we go through our activity. What have we done? What have we not done? What's complete? What's not complete? Money. Like, this is an opportunity to be able to do some nice in-kind exchanges for people. The idea is to be able to support somebody, like to give a tip for some work that people have been doing. Here you go, back up to the completion. You can look at your trophy status down below here. How far are you? How close are you to actually getting to one of the trophies? And we're going to go through a couple of different options here. The remainder options more deal with the specifics around the settings, so we'll go through these pretty quickly. These are the logistics, what you see when you're actually logging in. So again, thank you so much for checking out VibeUp, and we really think this is a great way for people in today and tomorrow who are feeling a little bit of isolation to start to be able to create things inside of community.